In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Brevo efficiently in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in so you can seamlessly get all your contacts where they need to be. First things first, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to Brevo's website. This is where it all begins. Once the page has loaded, you'll need to log in to your account. If you don't already have a Brevo account, you'll need to set one up, but we're going to assume you have one for the purposes of this video. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Brevo account. From here, you need to head straight to the Contacts section. This is the hub where you manage all your contact data, adding, editing, or deleting as you see fit. Now, you have several options to import your contacts. You can choose to upload a file, copy and paste information, or import from another tool that you might be using. These options give you flexibility based on how your data is currently formatted. For those of you uploading a file, simply select the document you want to import. Brevo supports several file formats, including CSV, Excel, or a plain TXT file. On the other hand, if you're choosing to copy and paste your contacts, make sure you have your data ready to go. Once your data is ready for import, the next step is crucial: correctly matching your file headers to Brevo's contact attributes. Whether we're talking about email addresses, names, or phone numbers, aligning your data with Brevo's setup ensures that everything imports smoothly. A little tip here: double-check and make sure you're not skipping any vital field that could aid in future communications. After mapping your file correctly, it's time to decide where you want to organize these imported contacts. You can either add them to an existing list within Brevo, or choose to create a new list tailored to a specific campaign or segment. We're almost at the finish line, but before you hit that final import button, take a moment to review the settings. It's important to decide how you want Brevo to handle any existing contacts in the system and how it should treat empty fields during the import. This step is vital to maintain the cleanliness and accuracy of your contact data. Once you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and confirm the import. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully imported your contacts into Brevo, all set for your next marketing campaign or communication effort. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video has been helpful. See you in the next one.